What is going on, YouTube people, Planet YouTube? What is happening with y'all, man? Thank y'all again for joining me on another food episode. I appreciate your patience. You know what I mean? I've been experimenting with some mukbangs and some ASMR videos. It looks like you guys really like it, but we're back to it, man. We're back to the grind. We're back to just finding out local food places. And today we're gonna be visiting South Philadelphia, a place called Cafe Nhan. There's no way you can miss it because it's right on the corner of Snyder and Passyunk, you know? Like I said, you really can't miss it because it's right next to a sign that says Hennessy. I heard they got some great Vietnamese food. We're gonna test it out. I heard they got the best bumbleway, or bun boo hoo, if you're a noob like me, but it's actually pronounced bumbleway. Let's go in here and check it out, man. This place is dope, nice and cozy, you know what I mean? I'm about to walk in here, Cafe Nhan. I like the sweatshirts that they got on display. Can y'all see it? It's dope. Very stylish. It smells good up in here. Oh snap. What's up, man?
Long time no see, bro.
What's going on?
They came to visit me.
Kenny the Jet, you know what I mean? Show him the jersey real quick though. Kenny the Jet.
Yes, sir.
You grabbing dinner with us?
Yes, sir. You ready to get some bumbleway?
I want some bumbleway. You told me, what do you get, bumbleway? How do you get bumbleway?
You gotta get it with egg noodles. That's the thing right there.
Egg noodle, ooh. Normally it's with those thick noodles, the thick rice noodles, right? You put me on to something new. I never had it with egg noodles. Today we're gonna have it with some egg noodles, all right? Oh snap! Got Tam here. Y'all know Tam. Tam. Oh my God.
No. I got like 3 of them in the car just in case if you want to go ham tonight.
Jeez. I gotta get home to a baby, man.
Me too.
Shoot, your baby grown. Your baby about to start work. But we here, man. We here at Cafe Nhan. Cafe Nhan with Tam and Kenny. Nice cozy place. This is my first time here, so what do you normally get when you get here?
You gotta get the BBH, the boom boom land. That shit's crack. Yeah, but mom's put out there is crack too with the oxtail and all that shit.
So much good stuff here, man. When I first heard of BBH, they referred to BBH. I thought it was a big black hole. But here in the Vietnamese community, BBH means bumbleway. Yeah,
we got the game later.
Yeah, we do got. You gotta take 7 shots.
And you gotta take shots with the owner. So.
That's how we doing it now?
Yeah. You gotta take shots with the owner.
You gotta take 21.
Nah, I'm good.
Go Birds, right? Sir.
Go Birds. So this is one of the most die-hard Eagles fans there is in this world.
Kansas City all day.
Actually, he's Kansas City. I ain't gonna lie, I like Kansas City because of Andy Reid. That's it. That's all I can really say. Andy Reid should have never left.
Man, we got the hand-me-down. With the owner, Mama Nhan. Come here, Mama Nhan. Look, she got to look good for the camera. You already look good. What are you doing?
Yeah, see, and I don't have my nice jersey on and everything.
Sorry, go Birds, go Birds.
That's right, go Birds.
Yeah. So I'm gonna put this away here. So this is your place. I heard it has some of the best food in South Philly or Philadelphia, period, correct?
Yes.
So I'm thankful that I'm here right now. So I'm gonna try the bumbleway, right?
Yes.
So tell me more about your bumbleway. What is it that you guys do that's special to it? Because it smells amazing right now.
I cook with love. I pick, the best ingredient
Yes.
and take care of it and just make it nice and fresh for you guys.
It smells fresh. I can tell already. When you walk into a place and you smell that freshness, it hits you.
Right.
That's where it's at. And when she said cook with love.
That's right.
And I feel the love here too.
Every dish I cook with love.
That's it.
Okay.
And I'm
I
about-
want everyone, my customer, come in and enjoy the food every single day.
It's a beautiful thing right here.
That's right.
So we got the bumblebee here, and we got look at this.
The veggies.
Even the veggies look beautiful here. Look at this.
And my homemade chili and
The homemade chili.
Yeah, homemade
Where?
chili, baby. Yeah.
Ooh, you don't normally get homemade chili. Look at this. Here you get homemade chili. Not that package stuff.
That's right.
Never get bone marrow either.
Ooh, we got the bone marrow. Look.
Oh yeah.
You see that?
And that.
It's usually $100 charged, but you get it for free today.
Ooh. Look at that. This is the Fodak bit.
The product pig, yeah. Thigh on the side
Thigh on
with
the
the bone marrow and everything.
So this is the bone marrow. Can y'all see this? The bone marrow.
The good stuff.
If you're an expert, you get your beef on the side like this. You see that? You gotta be an
Or in the
expert.
bowl, whatever way you want. Yeah.
And we're gonna do a shot right now.
Sure. Yeah.
All right, let's go and do a shot.
Unless Jeff wanted to.
Thank you for coming. Very nice.
Anytime. Thank you for the food.
Oh,
Cheers, cheers,
anytime. Thank
Cheers.
Thank you. Cheers, cheers,
Cheers,
cheers.
guys.
you. Go Eagle.
Go Birds!
Go Eagle.
That's delicious. You come here, you better say hello to Mama Nhan. You know, you go into anybody's house, you come in here, you be like, you just gotta say hello. Always love. Cannot wait for this. Yo, shout out to whoever put this plate of vegetables together.
Tina, you did that? You put the veggies
Look
in
how beautiful this veg is. I'm gonna put her information, make sure you follow her. You know what I'm saying? All this love here. I don't know what, so
You
much,
about to get that shit
it's so
right
much
now.
food here that I get excited and I want to try this chili.
Chili right there. You know, you gotta get the steak sauce.
Right, dude, you gotta try that bone marrow in the broth. Try that shit.
I do not know where to begin.
Yeah, nah.
Overly,
It is overwhelming.
overly stimulating my senses right now. It's presentation is all that. Look at this presentation though. Shout out to Mama Nhan. Look at that.
Wait, so where's Amy at?
Yeah, right. So we gotta get that first bite with the bone
So this is right here is the Fodak Viet right here. Now I'm mainly gonna try the BBH, but they're like, yo, you gotta try the pho too. And that's what we're about to do. We're gonna try the pho with the bone marrow. The bone marrow's right here. This is the bone marrow. Can y'all see that? That is the bone marrow. And I'm gonna just do the bone marrow with the broth first before I do the BBH. Alright.
Can't snake you, bro. I gotta give you some of that too.
I appreciate it. Thank you, thank you.
Bone marrow and broth.
Cheers.
Cheers, cheers.
Cheers, fellas.
Try this out.
Best place to go for a hangover too.
Ooh.
What's that guy?
That bone marrow is rich in flavor, man. Oh my god.
It's real. What you know about the bone
That
marrow?
homemade broth, bro. That shit is serious, bro.
Broth is. You gotta come try the bone marrow.
Everybody's
with the
here
broth.
always for the boom boy, bro, but the pho is different, bro.
Pho though, like I didn't even put no condiments. I don't even think I'm gonna put any condiments right now because I actually want to enjoy this by itself because the broth is clean. It's flavorful. It's
Oh
clean.
wow, she's coming in mid-block,
flavorful.
right there.
Mama, look,
One
Mama
time.
Nhan, look at this. Look at this presentation. You're gonna get me. You're gonna make me look like Kenny.
It takes a lot of fun for this, bro. I've had a lot of bowls of BBH to get this gut, bro.
This is too much food. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. You want to make room? Are you good?
Oh no, we got it. I wanted to look just like this too.
I know. Look at
I'm
him.
just. I don't know when I'm gonna get to this because I'm actually enjoying this
Good.
because there's so many layers.
Don't you have a chopstick?
Oh, I will. I will. I just want to taste the broth.
Yes.
I'm tasting the broth with the bone marrow, and that
That's
bone marrow
right,
is rich,
Right.
very
You
rich
want
in
some
flavor.
bone marrow in yours?
Oh, no,
Okay, good. Yep.
You didn't even try the rice dishes. The rice
Dude.
dishes is
I can only eat so much. Right now, I can only make room for the BBH and a little bit of pho, but I actually want to try some more of this bone marrow with the pho.
Oh, it's different.
Yo,
Different, bro.
it's levels to this game, man. This is like,
It's levels with level.
It's really. I don't need no condiments. That's what I'm saying. This is what tripping me out right now.
It's
Like
crazy. You don't need no sriracha.
I don't need no sriracha or
Mine ain't
hoisin.
in the soup. It's on the side, just to let y'all know.
Yeah, it's really like. It's different, man. Like it's crazy good. It's probably one of the best broth, if not the best broth I ever had in Philly. Actually, in my life. This doesn't taste like restaurant pho. This tastes like home cooked pho. You know what I'm saying? Like restaurant pho is like mass produced. This is more like you feel like this bowl is made specifically for me. Shout out to shout out to Mama Nhan and Cafe Nhan for real. But this is the piece of steak that y'all saw in the kitchen that was raw. You let the broth cook it. You don't want to overcook it though. Just like this is perfect right here. I'm bugging out right now because normally I'm a condiment type of guy. I like mad sauces in my stuff. You know what I'm saying? But to try this pho with no condiments.
That's crazy. You didn't even come here for the pho. And that's all we talking about right now.
Did I ever tell you the story how I kidnapped Foster kittens and I was never named? Wait.
Now, can people get it with the bone marrow? Is the bone marrow readily available? Is that
It's usually just
whenever
if
first
you ever
come,
get
first serve?
If you ever get a glance of it, like sometimes it gets into the pot, and then if you get some, you get some. You know, it's a luck of the draw, honestly. Because it's so rare for us to get. It's like we can't just sell it. You
So
know.
not everybody can get bone marrow, I'll tell y'all, but if y'all can get bone marrow here with this pho broth, it's a really like a magical experience. It's hard to explain. That bone marrow though is rich.
Because all the other spots they do when they do the pho, they don't really use bones. You know what I mean? They use the powder, they use this, they use that.
I didn't know by now. He's Mama Nhan's son.
Her real son's over here. That's Drew.
He's adopted.
Yeah, I'm the adopted one.
No wrong with that.
This the real one right here.
No, I'm not. This is real one. This is a real one right here. I just take the credit for cooking food.
So every morning you make the broth?
Every morning, yep. Pretty much every morning. Yeah.
Yo, the broth?
We started this morning, 8:30. Start 8:30.
This broth is magical, bro.
Is it?
It really is. I eat a lot. I don't know if you noticed, I do eat.
You're pretty fit for a guy who eats a lot.
For real, thank you, man. You can't get my number, I'm married.
I guess so, try.
Yo, this, for real, the broth with the bone marrow though,
Yeah.
it's something magical.
I don't think any other restaurant does it like, the way we do it. Well, they should be doing the way we do it. It's just home, simple cooked food. Yes. Simple cooked food.
Well, I was telling them, this tastes more of a home cooked meal than anything.
Because if they see all the videos of you eating your pho, you drench that shit.
Yeah.
You haven't
Mainly,
done nothing.
I'm a condiment type of dude. I use like a lot of like sriracha and hoisin, but I didn't touch anything yet.
Yeah, you don't have
Just need the broth.
Exactly.
You come here, you just get the full deck deal with the broth. And if you're lucky, they might have bone marrow for you. If you're lucky. Come early for the bone marrow.
Yeah, it goes out quick. It goes out quick.
So, how long did it take for you to perfect this recipe?
A while.
I'm gonna say this. I'm gonna say like 30 years.
It's 30 years in a bowl.
30 years in the bowl.
30 years in a bowl. Can you believe that?
I'm not even 30.
That's why I love cooking. I love reading, because cooking and reading, like you get a book, people spend their whole entire life in that book. Same thing with cooking. So I always ask people like, how long did you take to perfect this? Like 30 years. This is 30 years in a bowl, and you can taste the love.
Hell
of
yeah,
it.
like all the other pho spots, it's like Johnny Walker Red Label. This is like blue. This is blue label.
Well, if you want some blue label, I got some blue label too.
There you go, see? Yes.
I'm like,
If the pho that I just had a little bit of it, if that was that good, I cannot wait to try this now.
yeah.
You don't even know,
Gotta get the
bro.
homemade hot sauce.
I'm sorry.
I didn't come here for the pho. He had the pho and he's like, yo, you gotta try it out. That's what I just did. Now we about to get to the BBH.
Oh, you gotta put
Oh
that.
shit. Just do it, bro. Don't even look. Just do it.
I can smell it, man.
Just go, bro. Just
so
make
let
sure
me-
you get some peppers, some meat.
Yeah.
Do some peppers, some
Do
meat.
it. And this is the first time I've ever had it with egg noodle.
Oh yeah, yeah.
Kenny put me on to the egg noodle. I normally get it with the standard rice noodle.
The bone noodle, yeah.
Oh, you guys have another person?
So let me get it right in here.
Bốn người lớn với cái 2 chia phải không? Ok.
Y'all ready for this? It's all the best.
That shit made me blush.
I felt like I can taste the layers of flavor.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? Just tasted the broth. Amazing.
It's different.
This is amazing. It's different. I went to what's that? Well, I'm not gonna say it, but I went to a place recently.
You can go anywhere you like.
I told him like, sorry, I wasn't impressed. You know, I wasn't impressed. I wasn't taken back by it. But this right here though, I can taste the love. Y'all need to cook more with love. Stop taking the easy way out. This broth is different. I just had some of the spice in it too.
I took care of the bill already. So.
Thank you, bro. Let's try some of this wonton. How come you didn't tell me sooner about this, Tam?
I thought I told you all.
Holding out on me, fam.
Bro, I took the memo here.
I'm kind of upset with myself because I found out about this right now.
Oh, yeah.
And
This is Nhan's favorite spot too. Nhan from it all the time.
yeah, shout out to Nhan. He's the owner of Cara Tattoo. And look at, oh my God, look at this. I've never had it with egg noodle before.
So much better.
This is the new thing, man. Oh my God, look at this. Can y'all see this? This is an extra large too.
Oh, yeah, what about? I was like, what is going on here?
We're gonna put some more in there.
Oh, next to the Jordan Bridge. So I'm like around there, like almost literally everything over there. I've been going to since March. So
You are not lying about this.
Right. Oh, this shit, right?
This right here. This ain't your regular hot sauce either. You can taste the freshness of it. Like you taste freshness here.
Yeah, we're doing it. Yeah, but if time comes to get the rice dish.
Y'all hear that? You say come here next time. We gonna get the rice dish.
Yeah, the rice dish is back.
Oh, well, I think that's. Basically, I look up, I think I'm going
You want that? Oh, nah, I'm gonna let you grab.
I used to think that Washington Avenue had some of the best pho. I was wrong. And when you know better, you do better. And I know better right now. Right now, Cafe Nhan on the corner of Snyder and West Passyunk has some of the best, if not the best, pho and BBH. I challenge y'all to come here and try it out. I challenge everyone to come here to try out the food. I only had 2 things off of their menu.
You didn't try the rest.
I didn't try the rest yet. That's the amazing part about it. I challenge y'all. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. I'm gonna catch you on the next episode. I'm gonna finish this food because there's so much food. I'm gonna spend like another 20 minutes on
Chỗ
this.
này là 1 năm, còn ở bên kia cách đây 2 căn á là 3 năm.
Amazing.
Cô còn cắn
Năm một.